explanation. A round shape is called a circle in mathematics. Here we will see different parts of this circle: radius, chord, and diameter. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. In the diagram, P is the center of the circle while M is a point on the circle. PM is a radius of the circle. A circle has many radii. They are of all the same length. A line joining any 2 points on a circle is called a chord. In the diagram, M and N are 2 points on the circle. Line MN is a chord of the circle. A chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. In the diagram, chord AB passes through the center P. Therefore, chord AB is also a diameter of the circle. A circle has many chords and diameters. Drawing a circle. We use a compass to draw a circle. One arm of the compass has a mental point while the other arm has a place to fix a pencil. A pencil of a suitable length is fixed to the compass. How to draw a circle using a compass? First, fix the pencil to the compass. Align the metal tip of the compass with the pencil point as shown in the picture on the right. Take a convenient distance between the pencil point and the metal tip. Take any point on a piece of paper. Hold the metal tip steady on the chosen point and turn the pencil point around it on the sheet of paper. The shape created by the pencil point will be a circle. The point at which the metal tip of the compass is held is the center of the circle. In this diagram, C is the center of the circle. To draw a circle of a given radius, a distance equal to the radius is kept between pencil point and the metal tip of the compass. In the accompanying diagram, this distance is 3 cm. Therefore, the radius of the circle drawn using this distance is 3 cm. Relationship between radius and diameter. Study the circle given alongside. Think over the following questions. Which are the radii in the circle? How many radii make up diameter AB? If the length of one radius is 3 cm, what is the length of the diameter? How long is the diameter as compared to the radius? The diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. If another diameter CD is drawn on the same circle, will its length be the same as that of AB? All the diameters of a circle are of the same length. Draw a circle on a piece of a paper and cut it out. Name the center of the circle P. Draw the diameter of the circle and name it AB. Note that PA and PB are radii of the circle. Fold the circular paper along AB as shown in the picture. Fold the paper at P in such a way that point B will fall on point A. Radius PB falls exactly on radius PA. In other words, they coincide. From this, we can see that every radius of a circle is half the length of its diameter. The interior and the exterior of a circle. We play land and sea inside a circle on the playground. In this game, the children inside the circle are in the sea, while the children outside the circle are on land. In the picture alongside, K, L, M and N are points on a circle with center T. The colored area inside the circle in the picture is the interior of the circle. P, Q, R and T are points in the interior of the circle. A, B, C and D are points in the exterior of the circle. The circumference of a circle. Take a bowl with a circular edge. The circumference of the circle is 12 cm 3 mm. Wind a string once around the bowl and make a full circle around it. Unwind the circle and straighten it out as shown. Measure the straightened part with a ruler. The length of that part is the circumference of the circle or of the bowl. An arc of a circle. Shown alongside is a plastic bangle. If the bangle breaks at points A and B, it will split into two parts as shown in the picture. Each of these parts is an arc of a circle. On the given circle, there are 2 points P and Q. These 2 points have divided the circle into 2 parts. Each of these parts is an arc of the circle. This means that P and Q have created 2 arcs. P and Q are the endpoints of both arcs. From the name arc PQ, we cannot say which of the 2 arcs we are speaking of. So, an additional point is taken on each arc. This point is used to give each arc a 3-letter name. In the figure, there are 2 arcs, arc PSQ and arc PRQ.